Assalamu alaikum, I'm Dr. To, and in this chapter 2, web programming subject, programming with PHP. Okay, so there are two methods. Okay, for sending the information to the web server from the form. Okay, get and post. Okay, so when the get method is used, okay, to send the information, and the information is also visible in web address. So it is called publicly. You write like this, okay, $sign and then get this one. Okay, open and close here. How about the post method here? Okay, so this method is used to send the information to the web server. Okay, and the information is not visible. So the main thing is here is that the difference is here is that get methods is visible in the web address, but the post method is not visible in the web address. This is called privately. Okay, so the get is visible, and then post is not visible in the web address. Okay, so how about the request? Okay, so this variable can be used to get information sent via, okay, get post method in the PHP. Okay, so when you have a form, when you fill up, and then you use the request, okay, to get the information. And here it's set function. Okay, this is set. It's set function. Check if a variable is set, meaning that it has a value or value other than none. Okay, so again, these are some of the words, okay, that you have to know. Okay, some of the definition or some of the terms that you have to know, how gets and then post and the request and then itself. This form and the link, okay, we cannot use in the pre-compiler. Let's skip this. And then PHP condition statements. Okay, so these are the same thing, okay, like others programming structure. You have here conditional statements are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. Okay, so you have here 4 types here. PHP, you have a 4 types, 4 statements, conditional statement. The first one is if it is used for only one condition, only if a specific condition is true. If else is for true condition. If condition is true, okay, you are going to output that one. Otherwise, you are going to output the other ones false. Okay, so if this is called nested if else, if and else. This is one of the several blocks of code to be executed. Okay, how about the switch statements? Okay, select one of many blocks of code to be executed. I have already explained this in the class also. Okay, so and here you have an example for if and if else. Okay, let me put it here. Okay, you have here if condition and here if and if else. Look at here. Okay, so what the question is here, write PHP code to output have a good day if the current time or hour is less than 20. Okay, so here we have a PHP beginning and then PHP close. Inside the time, T is for the time setup. You can write it here time. Okay, so as I said before, okay, the variable name you can give anything. Not only T, you can write time. If you write time here, and this also you have to write time. Okay, so I believe by now you already understand this. So we set up as a T variable. The day is an hour. Okay, they are going to check the time and day. Okay, so if the time is less than 20, okay, the output will be have a good day. It's going to output. Okay, we will go and test these things and then compile PHP tester. Okay, look at here, and this condition, you have a if and else, you have a two conditions here. Okay, they say they write PHP Oppo, okay, have a good day if the current time is less than 5. Okay, so they say the current time is less than 5, have a good day. Okay, and have a good night otherwise. If this is not true, the output will be have a good night. It's going to be there. Okay, so that's why you have a if. Okay, then if this condition is not true, you will get this output. Okay, again, you will go and check this thing. And here you have only one condition. If here you have a two condition. If the first one is not true, you are going to get another one. Okay, let's go to the next slides. What else here? It's stuck. Okay, look at here. Here you have a less than if else, more than two condition here. Okay, so again, look at here. You have a if. Sorry, you have a if here. Okay, and here else if, and here you have a else here. You have a, and here this example you have three conditions. So that's why if two condition, if and else only here. But now here you have else if. Okay, read the question here. Write a PHP code to output have a good morning. Okay, if the time is less than 10. So, and here this is wrong, I think. Okay, so if the question say they're less than 10, you have to put the less than 10 here. Have a good day. Or here, have a good morning if the current time is less than 10, and have a good day if the current time is less than 20. So you have to change here, and this, okay, it is wrong. You change here, it should be 10 here. It should be 10 and then it should be 20 here. The question is changed. Otherwise, it will output have a good night. Okay, so this time, according to the question, it is going to be 10, okay, and then it is going to be 20. Then otherwise, the output will be have a good night. Okay, so this is called nested if else. Okay, you have more than two conditions. You use the else if here. This example show you using the switch statements. Okay, and here, look at here. Create a switch statements that will output hello if the color is red. Okay, so in switch here, you have to know, what you have to know is that in switch, you have to know, I will show you, use other color. Okay, switch, you have to know case and break here. You have a case and break here. Okay, so PHP you open and PHP close down is there. Okay, you can here, you have to close down part here. Okay, so the color is set to the red here. Color is set to the red here. So switch color, they want to check the color. The first case say that if the color is red, you are going to echo, mean the output hello. Hello if the color is red. Okay, the second say that you are going to output welcome if the color is green. See, welcome if the color is green. Okay, so but and here you have the color is chosen the red, so the output will be hello. But if the color this red is changed to the green, the output will be welcome. Okay, so let's go and try this in the compiler. Okay, look at here. This is the first if statements here. Write a PHP code to output have a good day if the current time is less than 20. So we declare the time here. Okay, and then they are going to check the day and hours. If the less than 20, the time is less than 20, the output will be have a good day. Okay, so when you run here, the output is have a good day. Okay, but this one, I put the question here. This is called the comment. Okay, after you run, the PHP is going up. no problem. Okay, then let's go for the another one, if else. Let's go for the if else statements. Okay, where is a if else? Here you have a if else statements. I will show you the example. Let's run the if else now. Okay, so this is the question. The next one, if and else here. Write PHP code to output have a good day if the current time is less than 5. So I put the less than 5 here and have a good night otherwise. If this condition is not true, you have to, okay, echo output the have a good night here. Okay, so no problem when I have a PHP here and PHP close here. You can put close here also, no problem. Okay, this is the rules here. PHP open, PHP close. These are the comments, the questions. I put it here. /star, /star and then //. This is a comment. This is not going to output. This is just a question. Okay, but you must put inside here. I have a multi-line here. Okay. So the output and here is going to be have a good night, because if the time is less than 5, they are going to check the time from the display side. Okay, so where the compiler is set up. See, the output is have a good night. Okay, they will check the time there. Okay, so let's go for the nested if else. Okay, how about the nested if else? Let us check it. Okay, so and here again, the question is here, say that write a PHP code to output have a good day, have a good morning if the current time is less than 10. Okay, or maybe I will put here, I will change the question less than 5. Okay, and have a good day if the current time is less than 22. And here I will put change the question 22. Okay, otherwise it will output have a good night. So the first condition say that if less than 5, you are going to output have a good morning. If less than 22, you are going to output have a good day. And then if otherwise, have a good night. So this is the more than 2 condition. So that's why you use the else if and inside. So when you run this, let's see what is the output is there. See, have a good day, because the time here is less than 22. So that's why the middle one is, okay, middle one is output. Maybe the time they check there is between 5 and 22, maybe 10. So that's why they output there have a good day. Okay, so let's go for the another one, switch statements. Okay, so the last one, switch statements. Let's go and test. Okay, so again, this is the question here. The question say that create a switch statement that will output hello if the color is red and then welcome if the color is green. Okay, so you have to declare the color, and here you choose the red color. But if you change to the green color, okay, the output will be welcome. If you choose the red color, the output will be hello. So anything you can choose here. So in this example, the output will be hello because the color is set up to the red here. Run. Hello. See, because the color you choose is the red. Okay. So when I change to yellow here, green here now, G-R-E-N, green. When I change to the green, the output will be welcome. This hello is going to change to welcome. Okay, see, you can see the difference. Okay, so please try now. You can put another condition even. Just copy and paste it here. Okay. And you have here another case. Okay. Now you are going to put blue. You can put in this condition blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Then what you want to say? Good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. So this is you have three conditions. Case 1, case 2, and case 3. The first one is red. If the color is red, hello. Color is gray, yellow. Color is blue, and then have a good day. Okay. So now let me change here the color to the blue. Sorry. CHO echo. Okay, it's going to be have a good day. Okay, so I'm going to change this one to blue. BLUE blue. So as you know here, the blue, the output will be have a good day. Check here. See, have a good day. Okay, so this is how you can change. If the question has a 3, okay, condition, you put it here in 3 statements. Okay, so let's go back to the slides. Okay, so as I say, this PHP operator is important, okay, in the midterm and final exam. Okay, so you have to know some of the operation here. Modulus, increment, decrement. Increment has a 2 part here. This is called post increment and this is pre-increment because plus plus is at the back. Okay, and here plus plus is in front here. Okay, and here decrement also you have 2 types. Okay, minus minus at the back, minus minus in front. This is called pre-decrement and this is called post-decrement. Okay, we will see what are the answer. Okay, how the answer will be changed. And the equal, you have to write here 2 equal sign. Okay, identical, you have to write 3 equal sign. And then we will see what is the difference here. And then greater than or less than sign here. See, this is greater than equal or less than equal. We will test it. Then you have a logical and or logical or. This is C, N, and then this is O. Okay, so let's go to the compiler and then check. Okay, so this is example for the PHP operator modulus. Okay, PHP open and close here. The variable x have a value of 17 and then you are going to find the modulus of a 3. So 17 modulus 3, the output is going to be 2. Okay, so when you run this thing and then click to test your PHP code and then the answer will be 2. Okay, so let's go for other things. We are going to check the increment. Okay, we have a 2 type of increment as I say, pre-increment and post-increment. Okay, let's go and check here. What are the difference between pre-increment and post-increments? Okay, this is the plus plus is at the back here. X plus plus, this is called post-increments. So if plus plus is at the back, this value is not going to change. The answer will be 13. Okay, this is called post-increments. Okay, the answer result will be 13 only here. It is not changing. Why the result is 13 here? Echo x plus plus. Why here is it 13? Oh, sorry. Okay, and here. See, the result will be 13 here. Okay, so if I change this plus plus to in front here, plus plus x, what it is going to be? This is called pre-increment. This is a pre-increment. So now the answer 13 is going to plus 1. The answer will be 40. Okay, so the answer is going to be 40. Okay, because I put the plus plus in front. So when you click here, the answer is going to be 40. Okay, and then after that, let's go for the decrement. Okay, so this is called decrement. Let's go for the pre-decrement first. If minus minus is in front, okay, you are going to -1 here. This is called pre-decrement. Okay, DECREMENT. Okay, so if minus minus is in front here, you are going to -13 -1. The answer will be 12 here. Okay, so run here. The answer is 12 here. But if you put minus minus to the at the back, so if you put the minus, okay, at the back of the variable, this is called post decrements. Okay, the value is not going to change. 13 will be 13. Okay, click to test your PHP code, and then you will get 13. The value doesn't change. Okay, so you have to know the pre and post increments and decrements. Okay, and after that, let's go for the equal and identical. Okay, what is the difference between equal and identical? We have to know that. Okay. Okay, so this is an equal example. So as I say, the equal, you have only two equal signs here. You have to write two equal signs. The value of x is 9, while x, this one is an integer. Okay, but and here you put the open and close inverted comma. This is considered as a string. So this is the values are 9 the same, but the type is not the same. Okay, but for equal, they only check the value. 9 equal to 9. This is true. The answer will be true coming here. The answer is true. Okay, because the Boolean true here. But for the identical, okay, IDENTICAL, identical. Identical means that they have a 3 equal sign here. 3 equal sign. Okay, they are not only going to check the value, they will check the type also. This is an integer, this is the string. So it is not the same type. So the answer will be false here. When you click here, okay, the answer is false. So you have to know what is the difference between equal and identical. Okay, so let's go for the another one. What else? You are going to check the greater than or less than equal. Okay, so let's go again, greater than or less than equal. Okay, so and here, greater than or equal. Okay, 100 and 100, the value is the equal. 100 and 100 are equal. So and here, they want to check whether x is a greater than or equal. So greater than is wrong, but the equal is true. So the output will be true. They check only one condition. The output will be true here. Okay, so if I change here to less than or equal, okay, if I change to less than or equal, this is not greater than. If I change to less than or equal, okay, LESS, less than or equal, the condition is also still true, because the less than is wrong, but the equal to is true, because 100 is equal to 100. So the answer will be true here. Okay, so you have to understand this also. How about the next one? Is a logical AND and logical OR. Okay, you have to test logical AND and logical OR. Okay, check here logical AND and logical OR. What is the difference here? AND means that this is the AND sign here. They are going to see for the AND sign, both conditions must be true. This side also true, this side also is true. Look at this side here. X is less than 10. X value is 6. 6 is less than 10. This is true. How about the y is greater than 3? Y is a 3 here. The value is 3. 3 is greater than 1. This is true. This side also true. This side also true. So the answer will be true here. Okay. So let's say I want to change this one to x is less than 5. Look at here now. The condition is not the true because x is 6. 6 is less than 5. This is wrong here. Even though this is true, this is wrong. So the answer will be false. Because for the n here, logical n, both conditions must be true. This is also true. This is also true. If one is not true, the answer will be false. Okay? See, the answer is false. Okay? So that's why the both sides must be true. Okay? How about the logical or? Or you need to be, okay, true for only one condition. Okay, so look at the logical or now. Okay, logical or is like this here. And this, okay, x is less than 10, this is true because 6 is less than 10. X is greater than 5, y is greater than 5, y value is 3, 3 is greater than 5, this is wrong. But 1 is true, this is wrong. But the answer will be true because for the logical or, only one condition need to be true. Only one need to be true. Okay, so when you test here, the answer will be true. Because one side is true here. Okay, it don't have to be both sides true. Okay, so please try to understand this. This is very important for midterm and final exam. Okay, let's go back to the slide. Okay, so this is a array, PHP index array and associative array. Okay, as I explained before in the class, today class, we have two types of array here, index arrays and associative array. Index arrays are arrays with a numeric index. Numeric means the 0, 1, 2. These are called the numeric, it's a number. Okay, index arrays has a number, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Start from, remember, array always start from 0. Okay, associative array has arrays with the name key. Okay, the name key is here. This is an example here. You have a Peter, the name, Ben and Joe. So this is the two different things. And here you have a not 0, 1, 2 like this. Okay, so these are the two different types. Okay, so and here you have only two. We have to use the print R for the output here. We declare the cars here. The cars, there are three types of the car here. Okay, Volvo, BMW, and Toyota. Okay, so we are going to, okay, print R the type. So array 0 is a Volvo. 1 and 2 are the BMW and Toyota. Okay, so as I say again, it is always start from 0, make sure. Okay, so and here you have 2. Okay, here Peter, age is 35. So and here when you output these things, you have a Peter here and then 35 is here. Then 37 is here because this is equal and this one. Okay, they say that the Ben age is 37, Joe age is 43. Okay, so these are the two different types. So for the index arrays, you have a numeric index here, 0, 1, 2, and so on. And here, associative array, you have a name key, you have a name inside here. Okay, name inside here. Instead of 0, 1, 2, you have a name here. Okay, so these are the two different types you have to understand. Okay, so the next one we cover is the sorting. How you sort the array. We have a two types here. In this chapter, we only cover two types, ascending order and descending order. Ascending means that you already know the number will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The smallest will become and then after the bigger. Descending means that the bigger number is coming and then after that, the smallest will be the last one. Okay, so that's why here sort is for ascending and then also is for descending. Okay, so we have how many numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 numbers. The same thing we declare here. Here, the variable, PHP variable, we declare with the $ sign. And then we have array of 5. The same thing here. But we use here the sort, the number. This number we are going to sort. This number we are going to sort. And here, this number we are going to sort. Okay, and here, when this program is output, the output will be 2 is coming. 2 is the smallest one. 2, 4, 6, 11, and 22. Because they're after the small one and then bigger one is coming. But and here, because of the sort, It is a descending order. Biggest one is coming, then after that, the smaller one will go. The smallest will be the last one. 2 will be the last one. The rest are the same thing. The length, they are going to check the length. Okay, the length is here, you have a 5 size. The size is 5. Okay, so count number, they are going to count the number. So it is array. As array, you always start from 0 and less than length. And then x plus plus. These parts are the same thing. Okay, you are going to echo the numbers. Okay, then BR. BR is for the break. After 1, then you go down, break 1 line. Okay, so it means that after 2, it is going to be like 2, 6, 2, 4, 6. It is going 1 by 1. Okay, because of this echo BR. Okay, so let's go and try these things. Okay, so PHP index array. This is the example of the PHP index array. We declare the cars. There are 3 types of the car. Okay, so when we print, the output will be, okay, an array format with a numeric key. See, array 0, 1, 2, because these are the numbers here. This is called the index array. Okay, so how about the associative array? Okay, so as I say, associative array, there is no 0, 1, 2, 3. There will be the name key here. The name key will be here, like a beta, Ben, and Joe. This is a 2 different things. When you check this one, and you have here beta, Ben, and Joe. This is called associative array. Okay, let's go and try for the sorting. Okay, the sorting here. Okay, the sorting parts here. Okay, the sorting parts here, as I explained just now, we use the sort. This sort is used for the ascending. Ascending means there's the smallest number is coming first, after that the bigger, 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 and then the biggest will be the last one. Okay, so when you run this one, there will be 2 is the smallest one, so 2 will be first, after that 4, 6, 11, and 22. Run here. And this is the things here. Because 1 by 1, it's go 1 by 1 line, because you have here echo BR. Okay, after 1, then it's go. So if I change here sort, just put R here. R sort means that the answer will be opposite. 22 is going up, 22, 11, the biggest one will be up, and then after that, then smaller is going, and then smallest will be the last one. 2 will be the last one. This is opposite because I put the R here. Okay, run. See, the 22 is go up. Okay, so please try to understand these things. Okay, let's go back again to this. This is a looping statements. Okay, so we have how many types of the looping? We have 4 different types of the loops. This is like C++. You already know while loop, do while loop, for loop, and there is another one called for each loop. Okay, we already know for loop, do while loop, and while loop. Now you have one more loop here called for each loop. Okay, so these are the simple program. Okay, so when you run this program, this is the printing from 1 to 5. Okay, then you will get the output from 1 to 5. Okay, how about the number is here. Why you write that the number is, that's why the number is output here. Okay, so this program is printing 1 to 5 with using the different 3 types of the loops here. While loop is here. Let's go for the for loop first. Only for loop you have a x start from 0. Okay, x less than or equal to 5, and then x plus plus here. Okay, so and here this is wrong here because x must be start from 1. Okay, not start from 0. Okay, this is wrong. So you have to change this one. Okay, it should be start from not 0. It should be start from 1. This is only start from 1. Okay, x start from 1, and then less than or equal to 5, it means that 5 is included in increment 1. So the output will be the number is, and then the number. Okay, and then BR is for after one line, go down here. So all the three programs will output the same thing. Okay, for the while loop, this x equal to 1 is taken out first. Okay, after that while here, this is the while here. And here is a for loop. While x less than or equal to 5, this one. So you are going to output here, this one, and then x plus plus is going down after the echo. Okay, and here do while loop, the same thing, x equal to 1, then after that you put the do. Okay, and x plus plus, the same part here. This while statement is going down here before the closing part. While x is less than or equal to 5. So these are just the position is changing. For the while loop, you have only one statement here. Okay, so for these three part is divided into the different places for while loop and do while. Okay, so when we run all these things, the output will be same like this. This is the similar with the C++ program. Okay, I will show you in the compiler these things. Okay, so let's go the next one. Where is the next? Okay, this is the last one, the last slide, for each loop. Okay, so this is another loop called for each loop. Okay, so and here you have the each. Sorry, this one I have to. Let me erase these things. Okay, you have a for each loop here. Okay, for each loop. You have a PHP open, PHP close here. Age array, Peter age is 35, Ben age is 37, Joe age is 43. So for age as a key and then value. Okay, so this is called key and then the value is 35. Key are Peter and 35. Okay, so you are going to echo the age of Peter. Key is Peter here. The age of Peter is 35. You are going to output like this. Okay, and after that, the age of Ben is 37. And the age of Joe is 43. This is called for each looping. Okay, let's go to the compiler and run. Okay, so this is the for loop here. For loop, the value will start from 1 and then less than or equal to 5. Increment of 1. So the output will be the number is and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the using the for loop. This for loop you can change to the while loop. Okay, how to change to the while loop is that you are going to take one by one from here. Okay, so this is equal to 1, is less than or equal to 5, x plus plus, these are going to divide into the while loop and do while loop. Like this, x equal to 1, you write it here first. Okay, then after that, y x is less than or equal to 5, the output will be this one and then x plus plus. So these three parts are divided into the while and the do while. Run here and you will see the things. Okay, the same output. How about the do while loop? Do while loop is going to start here. You are going to put after the x equal to 1. Okay, you will put do here. Do. Okay, then after that, this while is, where are you going to put this while? This while is going to put into after this. Okay, after this. Still while is going to be putting after this. Okay, then after that you can close. Okay, and let's see, run it here. Okay, just changing the position. Okay, while statement you put it here. Run it. Okay, what is this? Maybe this one I have to put it here. Run it. What it is? Or after the while statement you have to put a semicolon. This is the mistake, semicolon. Is the semicolon here, semicolon. Okay, now okay, now it's correct. Okay, so that's why for loop you have a three, okay, things are together there, but for while loop and do while loop you have to take out one by one each part, three parts. From the three parts, each part you have to take out. Okay, so let's go to the last one, last slide, for each loop. Okay, so for the for each loop, okay, look at here for the for each loop. When I copy, it is not going through, no problem. I will change here. What else here? Okay, for each. Okay, and then this close part. Okay, so we have here, we declare the each array. Okay, this is the same thing like the associative array. Then we are going to group here for each as a key, and then after the value. So output is going to be the age of Peter. Key they are going to take Peter, is value is 35. And then after that the age of Ben is 37 and the age of Joe is this one 43. Click here. See, the age of Peter is 35, the age of Ben is 37, the age of Joe is 43. Okay, so this is not difficult. Please try to understand. Okay, thank you.